Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you about the important questions of the molecular basis of inheritance, and please watch this video till the end. And before starting this video please don't forget to subscribe this channel. So सबसे पहले हम करेंगे 1 mark के question. First one is name the factors for RNA polymerase enzyme which recognizes the start and termination signals on the DNA for transcription process in bacteria. Second, I mention the function of non-histone protein. Third, during translation what role is performed by tRNA. Fourth one is name the parts X and Y of the transcription unit given below. Then fifth one is give the initiation codon for protein synthesis and name the amino acid it codes for. Then sixth one is what is the function of amino acyl tRNA synthesis, and seventh one is what is point mutation. Eighth one is name the enzyme that join the short pieces in the lagging strand during the synthesis of DNA. And ninth one is name the enzyme which helps in formation of peptide bond. Next one is what is a codon. And 11th one is name the 3 nonsense codons. Then last one is mention the dual functions of AUG. देन इसके बाद हम करेंगे 2 marks के क्वेश्चन. इसमें फर्स्ट वन है गिव 2 reasons why both the strands of DNA are not copied during transcription. Then second one is state the 4 criteria which a molecule must fulfill to act as a genetic material. Then उसके बाद है DNA polymerase plays a dual function during RNA replication. Comment on statement. Then उसके बाद है what is peptide bond and how is it formed. Then next one is what do you mean by central dogma of molecular genetics. ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ वाई इज़ ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट कंसिडर्ड एज अ मेगा प्रोजेक्ट. ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. And next one is why it is that transcription and translation could be coupled in prokaryotic cell but not in eukaryotic cell. So उसके बाद है list 3 components of the transcription unit and also define these components. ये question आपको नीट में भी आ सकता है और बोर्ड में तो आएगा ही आएगा. The next one is how do histones acquire positive charge. उसके बाद है explain briefly the concept of reverse transcription. And उसके बाद है define the template strand and coding strand. The next one is define exon and intron. The next one is at which level the regulation of gene expression in eukaryotes can be done. Then उसके बाद है what do you mean by lysogenic cycle. ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, बेसिक क्वेश्चन है बट है इंपॉर्टेंट, ये आपको नीट में भी आ सकता है. How does ribosome work in the process of the translation. तो आफ्टर 2 mark क्वेश्चन हम 4 mark के क्वेश्चन करेंगे. इसमें सबसे पहले है डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ राइबोसोम इन ट्रांसलेशन. एंड सेकंड वन इज़ हाउ डिड हार्शी एंड चेज प्रूव दैट डीएनए इज़ द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. देन थर्ड वन इज़ गिव एन अकाउंट ऑफ मैसेंजर आरएनए. देन उसके बाद है एक्सप्लेन द फंक्शन ऑफ ए प्रमोटर टीआरएनए एंड एक्सोन्स. Then fifth one is list the silent features of double helix structure of DNA. ये क्वेश्चन आपको ऐसे भी आ सकता है और how are the structural genes activated in the lac operon in the E. coli, ऐसे भी आ सकता है, दोनों का आंसर सेम होगा. Then sixth one is explain in brief the lysogenic cycle in virus. Then seventh one is give 6 points of difference between DNA and RNA. Then eighth one is name the 3 major types of RNAs specifying the function of each in the synthesis of polypeptide. Then उसके बाद है 6 mark के question. फर्स्ट सबसे पहले है define RNA replication. In which phase of cell cycle does replication occur in eukaryotes. Define briefly the mechanism of DNA replication. ये question आपको ऐसे भी आ सकता है. और who proved semi-conservative replication of DNA experimentally and how and explain. ये question आपको ऐसे भी डाल सकते हैं, दोनों का आंसर सेम होगा. Then second one is describe the transformation principle purposed by the Griffith. ये क्वेश्चन भी important है. Then third one is give an account of the process of transcription. Then उसके बाद है explain the Watson and Crick model of the DNA. Then fifth one is how did Hershey and Chase prove that DNA is the genetic material. ये क्वेश्चन भी important है. Then sixth one is give an account of gene expression in eukaryotes. ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. Then seventh one is what do you mean by DNA fingerprinting and give an account of Southern blotting technique of it. Discuss its application. Then eighth one is describe the translation in brief. ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो गाइस ये थे 6 mark के क्वेश्चन. ये सारे ही इंपॉर्टेंट है इसलिए आपको ये सारे ही करने होंगे. सो होप सो यू enjoying the video and thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.